Okay guys, I have something here to show you guys. Today I was doing installation for SLTV and LUFT TV. So I came to this area and I realized that the dish elevation has to go down right as normally, but after doing that, putting the right setup, I realized that that zinc over there is blocking the signal, so I had to rotate my dish. This is a 90 centimeter dish, as you can see it's opposite, so I had to rotate the dish and you can see the doubling. So the primary there is SLTV and the secondary right on top of it is LUFT TV. So you can see around, see that dish, it is set up properly, but with this one, so I could only do this to get the signal. And you see this one here is 16 degrees and 28 degrees. So I'll just show you on my signal meter the signal to confirm the installation, please. Okay, here's my signal meter. That's SLTV. Sorry, just hold on please. I see the signal quality 75. It's good. And the other frequency, as you can see, SLTV. Now let me switch to LUFT TV. Okay. Let's check LUFT TV. Here is LUFT TV. See, LUFT TV is okay. So I'll just go inside now. I'll check the channels. All of these are connected to an SLTV decoder and everything is quite good. Okay, let's go inside. Okay guys, we are inside now. You can see that's the settings. I've already set up all the satellites and scanned the channels, so I'll just go and show you people what we have. Okay, so here's Joy Prime, and this is the SLTV decoder, please. And the next satellite, you can see we have Cameroon channels. That's the
Pierre Nestor Beau comme.
Then we have LUFT TV. LUFT TV here. See, everything is good. And here we have SLTV.
Douglas Luis, punched by Callahan.
The fine head, and across comes Camona to put it away.
Okay. So that's it. Basically, the reason why I made this video is because of the dish setup that I made, and I realized that maybe someone may also need the knowledge somewhere, because most installers don't know about rotating their dish to like track the satellite. So it's advisable sometimes to rotate your dish when you are tracking satellites, like from 42 degrees towards 68 degrees east. Yeah, sometimes when you don't get the signals right, setting your dish normally, just rotate the dish like I did previously, as you have seen. I also have an old video in my YouTube channel, so you can go and check it out, how to rotate your dish and track satellites like 51 and 45 degrees and 42 and the rest. Thank you guys.